In this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with candidates and more specifically, send candidates email notifications from Lanteria HR. So I'm actually looking at the vacancy, the support worker Launceston at the moment. Now let's just say I might want to reject these two candidates. I can use the batch action status to either change their status and send them a notification, or I can just send them a notification. So let's do change status, and we're going to change the status to rejected. Then from there I can choose the reason for the rejection, and they're configurable obviously, like with everything in Lanteria. And then I can choose to generate these letters. Okay, so if you see here, all these notifications I should say. So you can see here it's got the mail merge fields, and I can type my name down the bottom there as well, like so. And then I just click on change status, and then that will allow me to then send out those notifications to those candidates. So we just choose send emails, and their emails are sent. Now you can also send emails without changing status as well. You may have actually noticed, if we go back to that particular vacancy, you may have noticed that you can actually bulk send emails without having to change status. It's very much the same, it just leaves them in the current status, so I can generate emails and go directly to that particular page, like so. Choose my templates here. And if you wanted to create custom templates, that's no problem as well. So this is done generally as part of the setup, but I'll show you how to do it on this video as well while we're here. So you just go to configuration and go down to recruiting. And then we want to go to candidate tracking, advanced, and then go to candidate emails. And what we do on this screen here, this is where we set up our templates. So if we wanted to create a new one, it's super easy. Click the big green button, give it a title, and call it that one the same, active. And then you can automatically insert these mail merge fields from here. So we want the candidate first name. It's really easy to use, obviously. Thank you for applying for, and then you'd say vacancy reason. So on and so forth, and then you just choose save, and then you'll be able to use that like I showed you on the previous screens. So that's a quick introduction as to how you can send emails individually or bulk, and how you can change candidates' bulk status, and how you can set up those candidate email templates in Lanteria HR. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.